Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Today we'll continue with our environment chapter, the major realms or the domains of the earth. You all know what are the realms of the earth? They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. So, first we will study about the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid layer or the uppermost covering of the earth's surface is called as lithosphere. And this uppermost covering of the earth is made up of rocks and minerals covered with a thin layer of the soil. Now, the lithosphere comprises both continents and the ocean beds. Around 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with the water, and 29% is covered with the continents, that is land surface. There are many features on the lithosphere or different landforms on the lithosphere. They are mountains, plateaus, plains on the earth. You all know why lithosphere is important, students. Lithosphere is important because it provides us with forest and wildlife. If forest and wildlife is not there, the environment will be imbalanced, and it provides us food to all living beings. Yes, if lithosphere is not there, there won't be any food. Why? Because on the land surface only the food crops are grown. Agriculture is done, farming is done, fishing is done. So this lithosphere is very important. It provides us forest, grasslands for grazing animals, land for cultivation, human settlements and other economic activities. So if this lithosphere is not there, human activities cannot be done, cultivation of land cannot be done, animals won't be found. So lithosphere is very important. Now, it is a source of mineral wealth because all kinds of minerals and metals are embedded in this rock strata. Yes, this lithosphere is filled with the mineral wealth. Important mineral resources we find on this lithosphere only, and these minerals are important for the growth and development of human beings. So this was the importance of lithosphere. Now we move towards the next realm or the next domain of the earth, that is hydrosphere. The word hydrosphere means the domain of the water on the earth's surface. This domain or this hydrosphere includes the water bodies like ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Clear, students? Hydrosphere means the water bodies like ocean, seas, rivers, ponds, etc. You all know that water is very essential for all sorts of life, not only for we human beings, but for plants and animals. Same way, it is important as it is important for us. It provides a habitat to the marine life and food in the form of fish, shrimp, crabs, etc. So students, now it is clear to you that this hydrosphere consists of water bodies, and water is essential as lithosphere is important, and this lithosphere and they all are interlinked, because if water is not there, no industrial development, no agriculture, no farming can be done, and human development cannot take place. You all are aware that our ancient civilization, or you are studying in grade 6 also, that ancient civilization emerged or flourished around the river banks. Yes, Harappan civilization, Kalibanga civilization, all these things, they started at the river bank. So water is most important resource or the domain on the earth's surface. Now, the third important domain is the atmosphere, students. Yes. Atmosphere is the composition of air. You might have heard the word atmosphere. The gaseous enveloping or the surrounding the earth with a gravitational force is known as atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The gaseous enveloping or surrounding the earth with a gravitational force is known as atmosphere. It contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of other gases. You can see various gases are formed in this atmosphere. 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and in 1% other all gases are being there. It also contains dust, water vapor, and other elements. Oxygen present in the atmosphere is life-giving gas and is most important. Oxygen present in the atmosphere is life-giving and important gas. The carbon dioxide we breathe out is needed by the plants to manufacture food. High above the planet, the air becomes thinner and until it reaches space. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. Most of the weather and clouds are formed in this layer. So atmosphere is important for all living organisms. As lithosphere is important, hydrosphere is important, same way. Atmosphere is also very important. Yes. See, we can survive without water, but we cannot survive without air. So air is most important thing in our life. Changes in the atmosphere produce change in the weather and climatic conditions. It promotes us from ultraviolet radiation, which are very harmful. It prevents either from becoming extremely hot or cold gases. It acts as a greenhouse gas, which provides a better for life. So students, this was about the atmosphere. Now here I stop about this atmosphere.